So now we are done with the training. And so we are now going to predict on the test data. Okay. We use the train and validation to initially train and then tune the model. But now we need to test this model on an independent data that the model has not seen before. And that is where the test data comes in. So we are going to do some predictions. I will write the codes here for us to see. Okay, so first of all, we are going to let the model do some predictions. And so we are going to use the model.predict method. So we say predictions equals model.predict. And then we give it the test data, which is x test. So we are going to do the prediction now. Perfect. The prediction has been done. So let's see. Let's just check predictions.shape. So you may be wondering why we have this 3 here. You may be expecting that since it's predictions, it's just one column. The predictions we have here are probabilities. Okay, so the probabilities are given for the different classes. We are dealing with 3 classes, so that is why we have it this way. So let's just take a look at one of them. Let's say predictions 0. So these are the probabilities. And so the class with the highest probability becomes the predicted class. So that is what we have here. So we can check the class here. We can say np.addmax and say predictions 0. This will give us the index for the one with the highest probability. So here, the one with the highest probability is 2. That is this one here, 2. And so if you do the inference, let's display the labels. 0, 1, 2. So that means that for this particular prediction, the model predicted that sample as what? Uncomplicated malaria. Okay, that is what it's predicted. Okay, now we can check the actual value or the ground truth, which is y test. Let's look at it. So the y test, let's say 0. Y test is for 0, 0, 1. We can say np.addmax. That is for 2. Okay, so interestingly, the model predicted correctly. Okay, the model's prediction was correct because it is 2, and the ground truth or the actual y label or the actual class is also 2, which is uncomplicated malaria. So that is what we have here. Okay, now we can combine all these codes to view the predictions for some of the entries. So let's look at getting the prediction for, let's say, the first 5 entries. We are going to write some codes here to do that. So let's do that. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to say for index entry in enumerate predictions. And then I'll say print predicted. And I'll say actual. And then when I come here, I am using strange formatting. So I'll say np.addmax entry, and then here I'll say y tests, and there's also argmax, so I'll say np.argmax y tests index. So that is what I have here. So let's just cross-check to make sure that the code is okay. So I'll check here. Okay, everything is okay now. So I'll run this to get the predictions. Let me add this here. I just want to check the first 5, so I'll just do it here. I'll say 0 to 5. I want the first 5, so I'll do the predictions here. I'll display them. Perfect. So now we can see that here the predictions are correct because the actual labels are also the same. That's what we have here. Okay, so that's what it is.